Telling the time. Telling the time. Children, can you tell me why we use clock? To measure time. Very good. Okay. Now, can you tell how can we measure the time on clock? Confused? Okay. Today we will see the ways to measure the time on clock. The shorthand of the clock is called hour hand. See, shorthand is on 1, so we say 1 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Children, now you tell the time. It's now 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. This time we call it 12 o'clock. Again, it starts with 1 o'clock and so on. Children, you know that in one day, the hour hand rounds 2 times the face of the clock. It means one day consists of 24 hours. Telling time to the nearest 5 minutes. Children, when the hour hand or shorthand moves from one number to the other, 1 hour passes. But it takes so many minutes to complete 1 hour. Let's see the way of measure minutes. The long hand of the clock is called minute hand. When minute hand or the long hand of the clock moves from the number to another, only 5 minutes pass. 5 minutes passes. Now 10 minutes pass. 15 minutes pass. 20 minutes. 25 minutes. 30 minutes. See, the minute hand moves halfway round the face of the clock. It means half an hour passed. 35 minutes. 40 minutes. 45 minutes. 50 minutes. 55 minutes. 60 minutes. 60 minutes means minute hand compiled 1 round means 1 hour's completed, and shorthand is shifted from 12 to 1 and it is 0 minute for second hour. Now we discuss the way to reading, writing and telling the time. Hour hand is on 4. Minute hand is on 12, means 0 minutes. So, it is 4 o'clock. Another way of writing 4 o'clock is 4 hour. It shows hours. It shows minutes. 3 hour. 5 minutes passed. So, we tell the time. 5 minutes past 3. Also, we can write like 3, 5. Always write minutes in 2 figures. Hour hand is in between 8 and 9 means 8 hour. Minute hand is on 5 means 25 minutes. So, the time is 25 minutes past 8 or 8:25. In between 2 and 3 means 2 hours. On 6 means 30 minutes passes or half hour passes. So we tell half past 2. And another way of writing time is 2:30. In between 5 and 6 means 5 hours. It's on 10. Okay, 50 minutes. So, the time is 5:50. But remember, only 10 minutes left to 6. So, 2 ways of telling this time: 50 minutes past 5 or 10 minutes to 6. Generally, we use the second way of telling time when minute hand has moved past 6 or 30 minutes. So children, you know the ways of telling time. Now see the clock and click the correct. Telling time to nearest minute. Children, you know very well how many minutes are there when the big hand of clock is on the number. But if it is 3 between two numbers, then see carefully. Minute hand already crossed 4. It means 20 minutes. But it doesn't reach on 5. Means 25 minutes. So, we add extra minutes after 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. So, the time is 24 minutes past 10. Practice with other number also. Using AM and PM. There are 24 hours in a day, but our clock shows only 12 hours. Means clock shows two similar timing twice a day. Then to differentiate the letter AM and PM are used. Letter AM are used to show the time from midnight to noon, and letter PM are used to show the time from noon to midnight. 24 hours clock. Air and railway travel timetables does not use AM and PM to show time. Instead, they use the 24 hours clock time.